Okay, so question number 1. In this question, we have a diagram where we have sector OAC of a circle with center O, and there are tangents AB and CB to the circle. They are met at B, and then the arc AC is of length 6 centimeter and angle AOC is 3 by 8 pi radians. Find the length of OA correct to 4 significant figures. So we need to find the length of OA. So then this OA is actually the radius over here, and we know the arc length, which is 6 centimeter. So we can use the formula for arc length, which is equal to r theta. So arc length is 6, r we don't know, which is OA, and theta is 3 by 8 pi. So now from here, OA is equal to 6 by 3 by 8 pi. So this will give us OA, and this is equal to 5.093 centimeters. Okay, in B part it says find the perimeter of the shaded region. So perimeter of the shaded region means we have to find A, B, C, and then A to C. So since we know we have the arc length AC, but we don't know the length of AB and BC. So what we can do here, if we draw a line from O to B, so we will get a triangle over here. So here A, B, and O. So here we just found R is 5.093, which was OA, and the angle, because we are going to split it into 2 equal parts, so this will be 3 by 16th pi, and then we are interested to find length of AB. So then since this is a right angle triangle, so this is opposite and adjacent, so we can use tan. So tan of 3 by 16th pi is equal to AB over OA, which is 5.093. So which means AB is equal to 5.093 times tan of 3 by 16 pi. So once we simplify this, so AB, and actually here this one BC is the same. So AB and BC is the same, so that means the total length of AB plus BC is 2 times of. So that's mean the length of AB and BC. Okay, so here first of all the length of AB is 3.403. So if we wish to find the perimeter, so the perimeter will be equal to 6 plus 3.403, which is this length AB, plus BC, which is the same thing, 3.403. So that means the perimeter will be 12.8 centimeter. Okay, so we're done with the second part. Now let's have a look at the third part of it. So in the third part, we need to find the area of the shaded region. So again, area of the shaded region, if you look over here, so basically when we draw a line O to B, so we created two triangles. So if we can find the area of these two triangles and then we subtract the area of sector from it, so we will know the area of shaded region. So in order to find the area of triangle, so here we one by one. So this is right angle triangle. So area of triangle. So OAB. So this is half base times height. So base is 5.093 and the height is 3.403. But together the total area of O, A, B and C. So this is 2 times of 1 by 2, 5.093 times 3.403. So then the total area we will get, which is around 15.2, sorry, the total area we will get, which is 17.33, and then we can find the area of sector. So we will use the formula, which is half r squared theta. So half r squared theta, so r we know, which is 5.093 squared, and theta is 3 by 8 pi. So the area of sector will be 15.28, and then using these two ones we will subtract. So area of shaded region will be equal to area of triangles OABC, or here we can say area of rectangle minus area of sector. So 17.33 minus 15.28. So this will give us 2.05 centimeters square, which is area of shaded region.